awula phone kona uzasitshela ukuthi ulehlahla ngochaya ingayifoni yami mfana wamfana zakubulala ngingumuntu mama.
What's good YouTube, it's your boy Mshiso Makolite aka The Real Major. So guys, today we're pranking my classmate, like prank guys, and
so me to say la
uthi nguyo Dopifone yethu, and we want to see his reaction. Please guys, like, share, comment and subscribe. Road to 10k subscribers.
Afa mfana afa manje ngwatshontsha ifone yami phela lapha ngwatshontsha ifone yami phela na mfana ifone yami endod singaxabana iPhone yami ihambile nxa yakho ngiyakuloya siyakwazi ufuse sekadile manje sekadile bebo
inofa mfoni yebo
awuyeva kaso yebo le phone
guys, if you like our pranks guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe.
Another bang.
We're calling him again guys.
Braso balekela indaba zakho. Membe yami sizahluphana manje.
Ifoni yakho.
Tuesday ungavuyi manje. Ngiyangubona siyasigcina ngifuna ukwenzani. Ayisuyohlala ephumula yona mfana.
Asi.
Yeah?
Sweet.
Ingayifoni yami ayidobhayo re.
Funa ke ngidobhayo.
So ufuna ukukhala uqamba umisa ikhadi.
Ngidobha ifoni yakho ngathi ka.
Endodeni yakwazi. Awula phone kona.
Doda akadobha ifoni mina akayika.
Awula phone kona.
Adobha ifoni yakho mina.
Uzasitshela ukuthi ulehlahla ngochaya.
Ifoni yakho mina.
Wadobha ifoni yami. Anti ngowephumula na mfana. Anti ngowephumula.
Adobha ifoni yakho yiphi ndoda? Khuluma phi indaba yakho siza?
iPhone X.
Mfana.
Angathona mfana mdala ulayo kubi.
Ebra ifoni yakho yibona mfana we. Jina ngikuza kahle nje.
Aphele echayeka Tuesday. Uzabhayiza mfana wami.
Guys, yakhatha.
Amfana seyithukile.
Asimtshela ukuthi this is just a prank.
Asimtshela.
What I saw was for
Ayethukile manje sichaya athathaki.
These pranks guys are very hot.
Uzachaya so much.
We're doing the most guys in Bulawayo. Please support us.
I remember verse said tuzalendlela nje. Ajenga uzokhanya camera first chaya so dalo jona.
Remember ngasekhaya. Phone wesigcina ngathi
Mana spelling message uthi prank.
Photo hands ayitshela ngathi phone wesigcina. Ngeke ukhatha ngathi guys we're calling another one. Ngoba lo mnyama sikufonele guys. Ayi singafona kathesi yeke ku answer chi. And guys, we're doing the most guys in Bulawayo. Please support us guys. Cause these pranks are very hot. And now the boy is not answering his phone guys. He's scared.
Mbona ngisemblokile ke. Uzachaya umntwana abantu yathatha. Finish semblokile.
Finish. Yeah, asidinge nomuntu.
Guys, sizama omunye la. Siphenduke.
Tranquil is the next target, guys. Siwukhathile nje.
Afa. Hamba. Khulumela phezulu angikuzwa. Mfana ngotshontsha ifoni yami. Ifoni yami. Khulumela phezulu angikuzwa. Khuluma lo Malinga. Malinga. Ndoda, utshontsha ifoni yami yini? Nguwe noma cha? Ngidinga umuntu othiwa nguMoniso. Ngidinga umuntu othiwa nguMoniso. Makunguwe. Fana. Ngikhuluma lo Moniso. Ingayifoni yami mfana. Wamfana zakubulala. Ngingumuntu mama. Ngumalinga. Bese party lo mfana. Party. Mama yena uyalazi iqiniso. Sekadile. Yini ukhathile
So guys, you heard their reaction, his reaction, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, road to 10k subscribers. Road to 10k subscribers, guys. I'm repeating again. And so guys, it's the end of our prank video. Yo.